Retired Lieutenant General Winston Mapranga has delivered a dramatic assessment of Zimbabwe's section battle, declaring that General Chiwenga is on course to become the country's next president and first secretary of ZANU-PF. Nezarabinda mashoko kuda panguva ine achanuka kunzi panguva ine kunzi Chiwenga the next president. Claim Erupts as the retired general warns Mnangagwa. Zarabinda mashoko kuda panguva ine atona kuti the retired lieutenant general Winston Mapranga oya achipama warnings to the current regime. Unotungamirira nyika achiti vipi Constantino Chiwenga is going to be the next president and the first secretary of ZANU-PF. That was subscribe or like out on the bill TV and I'm very more bold truth. Mapranga insists his prediction is not speculation, arguing that Zimbabwe's political power is shaped less by public statements and more by shifting loyalties within the party and security structures. In a strongly worded warning, he compares the current political maneuvering to the final days of Robert Mugabe's rule, when the G40 function rallied around Grace Mugabe before its ambitions collapsed spectacularly in November 2017. He accuses the current establishment of marginalizing Lacoste-aligned figures and war veterans while allegedly empowering a patronage-driven Shikananda network. Mapranga says the institutions that played a decisive role in 2017 remain influential and warns President Emmerson Mnangagwa that the system is elevated him could ultimately determine his political fate. The truth does not die, he concludes. Roma developments are muda pangwa ine aitwa na retired generals. Kuna section yetu za figure 8 but udipa mzuri kwa each. So subscribe or like, watch and on the bell icon.